Hello there and welcome to Craft and Boogie, where today I am going to be showing you how to make a finger weaving like this one. Finger weaving is such a fun and easy activity for kids of all ages. I know because I was once a kid and I would just spend hours among hours finger weaving. It's super simple. All you need is some yarn and fingers. So let's get right into it. You're going to start by taking some yarn. It can be any length really. And you're going to tie one end of it to your thumb, like this. Then you're going to wrap the string around your fingers. And you're going to do that until you have 2 rows of the string. And then you're going to pull the lower string over the top string and over your finger. So it goes to the back, and then you're going to scooch down the rest of the yarn. Then you're going to do that again. And you're basically just going to repeat these steps, and as you do that, your weaving will grow and you can just continue until it's at the length you want. Once you have a little bit of length, you can just take the yarn tied around your thumb off, but don't pull that string. Once your weaving gets to the desired length or you run out of yarn, you're just going to gently pull all of the loops off your finger, and then on each side you are going to just tie a knot so that it doesn't unravel. And now you are done with your finger weaving, and you can cut off the extra little bits of yarn. And there you go. Once you are done with your finger weaving, you can wear it or play with it however you'd like. You can see that I am wearing mine as a headband, but you can wear yours as a scarf. You can make a necklace or a bracelet. I even used to jump rope with finger weaving. And that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can give it a like. You can also subscribe for more craft projects like this. You can check out our website and our social media below to see what Craft and Boogie is all about. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!